We've all been there, right? Staring at a blank screen, the cursor blinking mockingly, a job application deadline looming, and that one nagging thought, do I really need a cover letter for this job? And if the answer is yes, then the next thought inevitably follows. How in the world am I going to write one that stands out without spending hours or worse, spending money? Enter Kickresume, one of the many online tools promising to make your job application process smoother, faster, and more effective. You've probably seen their ads, heard their name mentioned, or even dabbled with their resume builder. But when it comes to that often dreaded companion piece, the cover letter, a crucial question arises for many job seekers. Is Kickresume free for cover letters? Can you really craft a compelling cover letter with Kickresume without reaching for your wallet? That's precisely what we're diving into today. In this comprehensive guide, we're going to pull back the curtain on Kickresume's cover letter features, explore what's truly free, what comes with a price tag, and ultimately help you decide if it's the right tool for your job search needs. Because let's be honest, in today's competitive job market, every edge matters, and understanding the tools at your disposal and their cost is a significant part of gaining that edge. The world of online resume and cover letter builders has exploded in recent years. They promise to streamline a process that can often feel overwhelming, offering professional templates, AI-powered writing assistance, and ATS, applicant tracking system, optimization. While the core idea is to simplify job applications, the business models behind these platforms can be a bit murky. Many offer a free tier, but the definition of free can vary wildly. Is it a limited trial, a bare-bones version, or genuinely useful free access to core features? For cover letters, which are often highly personalized and require a unique touch, these distinctions become even more important. So, let's get down to brass tacks. Is Kickresume a magic bullet for free cover letters? Or is there a catch? Kickresume does offer a free plan, and this free plan does include features for creating cover letters. This isn't just a free trial that expires after a few days. It's a perpetual free tier with certain limitations. Specifically, with the free plan, you can access a select number of basic cover letter templates. Currently, this includes 4 basic templates that are designed to be professional, clean, and ATS-friendly. These free templates aren't just placeholders. They are fully customizable. You can input your own information, adjust the content, and tailor it to the specific job you're applying for. This means you can essentially build a functional and presentable cover letter without spending any money. You can also download your finished cover letter in PDF format, which is the most commonly accepted format for job applications. However, the free aspect comes with some important caveats. While you can create a cover letter for free, the free plan typically allows you to create and download 1 resume and 1 cover letter. If you need multiple, highly customized cover letters for different job applications, or if you want to explore a wider range of design options, that's where the premium features come into play. Kickresume's premium plans unlock a much broader suite of tools. This includes access to all 40+ professional and visually appealing cover letter templates, which offer greater design flexibility and stylistic variety. If you're looking to truly stand out with a unique design or want to match your cover letter perfectly with a resume from Kickresume's extensive library of premium templates, then a paid subscription becomes necessary. Beyond just the templates, the premium plans also offer advanced features like AI-powered cover letter writing assistance. This AI writer can help you generate initial drafts, suggest compelling phrases, and even tailor your content to a specific job description. For those struggling with writer's block or looking to speed up the writing process significantly, this AI integration can be a game changer. The free plan might offer a tryout for the AI writer, but full, unlimited access is reserved for premium users. Another premium feature that could be highly beneficial is the human proofreading service. While Kickresume's AI can help with grammar and spelling, a professional human editor can provide a deeper level of polish, ensuring your cover letter's tone, clarity, and overall impact are perfect. This service usually comes at an additional cost per document, even for premium subscribers, so it's something to factor in if you're aiming for absolute perfection. So, to reiterate, yes, Kickresume is free for cover letters in the sense that you can create one using their basic templates and download it. This is a genuine offering and can be incredibly useful for a job seeker on a tight budget or someone who just needs a single, straightforward cover letter. However, if you're a frequent job applicant, desire more design choices, want the full power of their AI writing tools, or prefer the peace of mind of human proofreading, then investing in a premium plan or individual premium features might be a worthwhile consideration. Kickresume offers various subscription tiers, including monthly, quarterly, and yearly plans, with the annual plan generally providing the most cost-effective option for long-term use. They also have special discounts for students and teachers, which can grant extended free premium access. Ultimately, the value of Kickresume's free cover letter offering depends on your individual needs. For a quick, basic, and professional cover letter, it's a fantastic free resource. For those seeking advanced features, extensive design options, or AI-driven assistance, the premium plans offer a significant upgrade, but at a cost. It's about weighing convenience, design aesthetics, and advanced functionality against your budget and the frequency of your job applications. Remember, a cover letter is your chance to tell your story, explain your motivations, and connect your skills directly to the job requirements. While templates and AI can assist, the most impactful cover letters often come from a blend of smart tools and genuine personal effort. Use Kickresume's free features to get started, and if you find yourself needing more, you'll know exactly what options are available. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.